Today, I'm going to show you how to log out of ChatGPT. Whether you're using it on your desktop or mobile, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, what you need to do is open your web browser and search for ChatGPT. Now, tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. It might look like 3 horizontal or 2 horizontal lines or your profile picture. Now, scroll down until you see Settings or a similar option and tap on it. In the settings menu, look for sign out or log out. You might need to confirm your choice. If prompted, go ahead and confirm. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of ChatGPT on your mobile device. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.